If you need to drain your 8 sleep pod, start by powering everything down. Unplug the hub from the wall first to make sure the system is completely off before handling any water connections. This prevents the pump from activating while you're working. Next, locate the official drain tool that comes with the system. Attach it to the connector at the end of the water tube connected to the active grid cover. Position the hose over a large container or bowl and allow the water to drain out naturally. Most of the liquid will flow out by gravity. After draining the cover, move to the hub itself. Attach the drain tool to the hub's reservoir drain port, typically located at the back, and let the internal tank empty completely. When the flow slows down, gently tilt the cover or hub slightly to remove any remaining water. Wipe all connectors dry before reconnecting caps or hoses. If storing or moving the unit, make sure everything is fully dry before packing. If you plan to use it again soon, follow the refill process outlined by the manufacturer.